founder of Junction. Welcome to my kitchen. Salads are a great way to introduce vegetables into our diet. And today I'd like to show you one of my favorite salads using arugula. Now, arugula is often called rugula or rocket. Rocket because it aids in digestion and really moves things through our digestive system. So the recipe today is a family recipe inspired by my Aunt Rose, and I would love to share it with you. Let's start with the dressing. Salad is the place you should be using your extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to take that and then the juice of a fresh lemon. Now put your lemon at room temperature and roll it. That's going to break up the membrane. And then cut it. I'm going to take the side that has less seeds, but still using a lemon squeezer. Put it face down in the lemon squeezer. There you go. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of salt and put in some fine but fresh ground black pepper. And we're going to add about a teaspoon of sugar to create the emulsion. I really like this whisk. It's a new one by OXO. Really helps me blend those lovely flavors together. Now, here's the fun part. This is a navel orange. Also at room temperature. I'm going to roll this. Now we're going to take our paring knife, and this is going to take a little bit of practice, but it's worth it. Take the skin off the orange. I'm going to put this to the side and do this in a couple passes. And make sure we take as much of the pith as possible. Now come back to this part and squeeze the little bit of juice that you can. Going to take the paring knife and get between the membrane and segment this orange into a bowl. And because I'm using a navel orange, I'm not going to have seeds. Now don't worry about the part that's left over, because we're also going to squeeze the rest of that into our dressing, like that. And that's our dressing along with our fresh orange segments. Our next step is to take a red onion, and I have this mandolin set on a number 2 setting, and all I need is just a little bit of red onion, not too much that it overpowers. And I'm going to mince it a bit. So I'll take my bowl of dressing, add the arugula to the dressing, add the red onion to the arugula, and mix it directly with the dressing and coat the arugula thoroughly. Now this all depends on how much arugula you use, but you don't ever want to overpower with the dressing. You want that nice peppery taste of the arugula to come out. And our goal was that we don't want any dressing on the bottom of the bowl. If you have dressing, you've used too much. And you'll get used to that over time. So now we're going to plate this. Add some of our orange segments. Garnish with toasted walnuts. I think the walnuts go beautifully with this dish. And then a little bit of blue cheese. And there we have it. Arugula salad with red onion, orange segment, toasted walnut, and blue cheese. I'm Merola. Thank you for joining me today. Visit us at Function Junction in Kansas City, Missouri at Crown Center, or shop us online at functionjunction.com. We sell cool cooking stuff to give you kitchen confidence.